this weekend is kind of busy for me. I've got so much to do. What about you guys?
I'm painting. Gymnastics competition for my daughter.
Guys, I just found a boomerang for sending secret messages around the campground.
I don't think it's a boomerang, Larry. Actually, you know what it could be? For like Comic-Con, you know? Like you make your costume like, I'm Vector, or like, isn't there like a action hero with this, right? Yeah?
No, not a chance.
I don't know. I think it's an L because we're luxury, right?
Oh,
Well, as much as I like that, you guys are actually all wrong.
Oh, really?
So what this actually is a molded trim piece designed to light up as part of your RV's front cap lighting system. The one that I have here goes in the lower left corner of the front cap and provides a clean, modern, illuminated accent when the RV lights are on. They're made from a durable, clear polycarbonate with layers that control light diffusion. It creates an even, glowing appearance. The design matches the rest of the front cap lighting accents for a consistent, stylish look.
All right, guys, thank you so much for joining us for another episode of What Is It? And listening to our bad comments. Please leave yours in the comments below and we'll see you next time.